Well, I know y'all see something broken down there. And then I can almost take this belt off without even loosening the belt tensioner. And this is supposed to be 3 to 5 millimeters. Yeah. I'm glad we did this.
Now I get to have all this chicken to myself.
Yeah. I forgot to do an intro. So, yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. Love y'all.
Shut your ass up. You don't even belong here.
All right, guys, we are on, I think, day 2. Got one valve cover off. I was starting to work without y'all. Said I was not gonna do that. So I'm gonna do this other intake valve cover. As y'all know, well, you may not know, the, oh dang, we're looking at CGL 32s over there, but pretty much this valve covers are in 2 pieces. So I'm gonna take off that side. I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get together. We're gonna get things done. We're gonna knock this out. Make sure we get all the good stuff put back in here, because we did get a shipment from Z1. Time to go.
Get some help.
All right, y'all. I'm almost to the edge of going. I'm not even gonna say that word because I don't want to speak that. But we do have everything off on this side. As for valve cover, this EGR tool is getting on my last nerve. Then they have a bracket right here that I had to loosen up. So I'm gonna have to repeat that on this side, because Nissan wanted to put the bolt right here. I mean, you don't even give me a relief where I could just stick. Oh my. I might have to just delete these EGR tubes. Y'all let me know in the comment section if that's gonna be a smart thing. I mean, it's not gonna be a daily driver, not gonna be anything that I have to worry about passing emissions. Man, should I delete this EGR, man? Because I'm just sick of this. I know I'm doing the coolant bypass, because there's no need for that. I don't know, man. I think this is like over-engineering for Nissan, bro. They were just doing too much. Doing way too much. I'm gonna go ahead and get this off. Then I guess cut y'all back on later on when I start taking off these cam gears. So tired of this.
Later.
All right, guys. Well, looks like got everything off. This side over here, when it comes to the valve cover, is a little bit easier. But now we're gonna go ahead and take off, you know, the cam gears, and I think that may be it. Then the next video we'll clean up the engine bay, like all that grime, and suck a bunch of the stuff out of here, you know, clean up the mating surfaces on the engine, and then I guess we'll reassemble everything and pray to the Lord that we didn't mess nothing up. I know y'all see my little old man Bluetooth in my ear, but I left my AirPods, I was gonna say AirPods at work, unfortunately. Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and take these gears off, and I guess we'll finish up the video. Don't go nowhere. I know y'all know the video about the end, but don't go nowhere. lights. I hate this camera. It just keeps shutting off. Cause I don't think it's supposed to be leaking oil like that in there. All right, guys. Let's see if oh yeah, I'm zoomed in too far. All right, guys. I think that's it for today. I know you guys aren't too enthused about, these videos, but I want to bring you guys along, show you my journey, and you guys get to see if I destroy this engine or not. I do have it in a bunch of pieces. And I got a lot to put back, man. Nissan really over-designed this vehicle, y'all, to be honest with you. But thank you guys for watching. So the next video probably will clean up a little bit, which I probably should have done before I start opening up the engine. But I don't know. We'll see what we do. But I think that's probably what we'll end up doing. Like I said, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for rocking with your boy. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're old to the channel, I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you again. Love y'all. See ya. Peace.